somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Oh, like a symphony of our memories. Everything was moving so fast. Everywhere I look, I'm starting to feel time is eating me alive, drowning in my life. Who am I? Time is eating me Time moves on and on. Can I still make it? Can I still make it? Where did I go wrong? My fear builds an appetite, but time is eating me alive, drowning in my life. Who am I? Time is eating me
leave you. Enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets caught real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't release this until they feel the force. They're hard in. If you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You be chewed up and discarded.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. There's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Turned to lovers, yeah, we fell into each other. But our love burned out like a cigarette, and I'm wishing that I would've said, I hope you're happier now, now that I'm gone, moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell, and all you want is the memory left. And I still think about you sometimes, when I'm fucked up in the middle of the night. I know you wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. Hope you're happier now.
If I wasn't here one day, then I could save me from turning around. Lift me off the ground, and one day I'm free. Yeah, I wanna be a real one day. Heaven lift me up from under. Wishing I could be somehow stronger now, so I can fight.